I'm here. I go look for my ISIS because I'll. Let me get you big man. I get me my yam shima na uji. The yam she is in me now. No. This head. But the fish is big. This head is the biggest one. So Muma here the front one. Like the munya mura. What's so munya? Come on, with the rest. What kind of? O concord. Now, get you kidara. Oh, more I am so. Excuse me. Mumbo choosing the parts. Mumbo choosing the parts of Momo. I hear you. Yeah, hey, what's so munga? What come back on the kuho? Jem Kaga, me I will eat the moon. You know the moon yam. Lead me not into temptation. No, eat that porridge. More than no, I tell back I'm here or more. I tell you that bear. Hello guys. So who missed me? I've not been here for a while. Not like too while, because for some few days I've not been here. I wonder why people are not coming to my live stream again. YouTube, is there any problem? Did I do anything wrong that you're not recommending people to my page again? You understand? So can I borrow time? Yeah, no, more chop on. Guys are hungry. All right. Good morning, guys. How are you? Thank you for joining my video. It's raining this morning. I tried to do a video in the morning, but the rain was too much. Is awake? Is he awake? Me down. I'm on live video now. Bring it to the parlor now. Bring the boys to the parlor. Welcome everybody. Let me know where you're watching me from. At least let me say hi to you and say good morning to you. A wonderful and a lovely good morning to you. It's raining outside, and maybe if I have time later, I will go around the town and then see maybe. But is he crying? Is the boy crying? Yeah. And there, Movana. So, as I was saying, I'll go around the town and see if the rain has caused damage. But you know, the way it rained yesterday, it was heavy here, a kind of heavy rain yesterday. And you see, even this morning I'm wearing my hood, so that I'll be in the hood. Be in the hood vibes. So if you hear you watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. If you're watching me in your house, let me know. If you're watching me at home, let me know. All my fans, family, friends. Thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning to you. It's raining here, so I'm kind of cold. And let me go to where my baby is and tell you a little bit about my baby. That's my son. My son, whom I love so much. Let us know where you're watching us from. Yeah, it's dark in here. I'm on the light. Lord, I see you come. Do daddy. Do daddy. Do daddy. Do daddy. Guys, can you see my son? He's sleeping. Da da da. 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 You want to say hi to my viewers? Okay. My son wants to say hi to you, so let's see what we can do for my boy to say hi to you guys. Yeah, this is my first son, my first child. Yeah. Can you say hi to our viewers? Can you say hi to them? Can you say hi to them? Can you say hi to them? Say hello. Hello. Jiggy 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 jiggy. Da da da. Da da. Da da. Dee dee dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Mm. 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 You see, my son looks like me, yeah? He looks like your dad, boy. He looks like me. He looks like me. Da-da-da. You look like your dad, huh? You look like your dad? But you know that you look like your dad. What's up, boy? But you should be sleeping by now. Why are you still awake? Don't you know that you should be sleeping by now? Hmm? 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 You're a great man. Always remember your daddy loves you. I love you, my boy. You know, my son has a YouTube channel, and King Josiah on the door. That's his YouTube channel. Tell people to go and subscribe to your YouTube channel. All right? I love you, boy. Da 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 da. Anytime I want my boy to sleep, I sing for him, and I will sing on the da 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 daddy, and the da 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 mommy, and the da 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 daddy, and the da 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 mommy, and the da 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 daddy, and the How are you? Are you okay? Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. So anytime I want my boys to sleep, I sing for him and he's always happy. See, Daddy, thank you for singing for me. Yeah, that's what I do. Am I lying? No, I'm not lying. He said, Daddy, you're not lying. And another thing is that sometimes when we don't have a visitor in the house and the boy wakes up at night and I have to hold him sleeping at the same time. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Hold the boy at night. So sometimes you see me doing live streaming in the night because of my baby, trying to make my baby to sleep. And when I go to work in the morning, I'll just be feeling sleepy, you know. Who tells you to grab that? Hmm? 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 Mm, 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 mm. You know, the joy of every father is to have children, and this is my joy. I'm happy. I love my wife, and I love my child, so I know he loves me too. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you love this channel, all right? Mm, 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 mm. Mhm. The way you're doing, you want to cry? Hmm? You want to cry? Little boy, don't you cry. Don't you cry. Are you okay? Are you okay? You okay, boy? Little boy, don't you cry. Ah, you're looking at my phone. If you want to do live streaming. Hmm? You want to do live streaming? Hmm? Maybe he wants to suck breast.
No, not breast.
Your mommy's here, boy.
Not long ago.
Your mommy's here, boy. Mm. You are live video. Mm. So, having a nice time with my boy, and it's a privilege. It's a blessing. All right? You are a blessing to me. You are my sunshine, you do want to look at the camera. Look at this boy. You see? Okay, look at the camera. See, nigga. Look here. Look, 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 look. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. My boy is saying hi. Hello. Hello guys. Welcome to my daddy's channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, take a membership, be the part of this channel. That's what my boy is saying. Aww. Like, subscribe, share this video, and comment. Let's know where you're watching from. That's what my boy is saying. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying, my viewers? Is that what you're saying, boy? Talk to me, boy. Talk to me, honey. Yeah. My boy is saying do not forget to subscribe to my daddy's channel and support this channel. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right, boy? Am I right, boy? Guys, let's know where you're watching us from. Let's know. Let's know. I'm here with my boy, my big boy. Da daddy, da daddy, da daddy. And the daddy, and the mommy, and the daddy, and the mommy, and the daddy, and the mommy, and the daddy, and the mommy. Hmm. Hey, Yanni, anytime I'm singing this song for him, then he feel like sleeping. And the daddy, and the let me stop stressing you. And the daddy, and the mommy, 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 and the daddy. You looking at me like that? Hmm. And the daddy, and the mommy, and the daddy, and the mommy. Oh, sweet boy, sweet boy. Yeah. So it's the morning time and it's raining outside. Normally by now I would have been in the office and because of the rain, so I'm just trying to just wait so that the rain will go down. But I'm still here with my boy. My boy. My boy. My boy. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Let me sing a gospel song for you, boy. I'm gonna sing this song for you. All right, listen and enjoy this song and be blessed. All right, so let's go. How great is our God? Sing with me. How great is our God? For all will see how great is our God. You are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. You are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. You are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Yeah. Are you saying you can sing better than me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you sing better than me? Can you sing? You want to sing too? You want to sing too? This boy wants to sing. You want to sing? You want to sing? There is no one else like you. Mm. How great is our God? Sing with me. How great is our God? For all will see how great is our God. The name above all names. You're worthy of my praise. And my heart will sing how great is our God. Chickadee, chickadee, chickadee. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you sing? Oh, you want to sing? All right. It's your turn. Sing, boy. Sing for me, boy. Sing for me, boy. Sing for me, boy. Sing. Sing. It's your turn to sing, boy. All right, go ahead. The name above all name. The worthy of my praise, and my heart will sing. How great is our God? You are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. You are great. You do miracle so great. My boy. Yeah, I'm just having a nice time with my boy. Yeah. Do you enjoy what what you did? Do you enjoy my song? You said yes. Are you okay? Don't cry. You know, this video that I'm making is for you, all right? When you grow up, you will watch them, you'll see them, all right? They're all your videos. And I'll take some time to go to your channel to do live video on your channel. What do you think? Tell me, what do you think? Is it okay by you? Is it okay by you? It's okay by you? It's okay by you? Mm. 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 Oh, you're just 1 month old and you know the camera. Look at how you are looking at the camera. You know that your image is here. See, you're just 1 month old. Just 1 month. Children of nowadays. Do you know nowadays we did not even know anything like camera? Did we know? Although, did we know? Bless you. Bless you, my boy. Bless you. Lord, I'm sick counting my blessing. All that you've done in my life. Lord, I still counting my blessings. All that you've done in my life. You want to stand up? Do you want to stand up? Should I carry you up, boy? You want me to carry you up? All right. Let me carry you up. That's what you want, boy. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Da. Yeah, see my boy. He wants me to carry him up. No, I'm not going to leave you here, all right? We'll be here. I'm going to be here with you, and we'll have a nice time, all right? This time of daddy and son and daddy. It's our time now, all right? We're going to discuss, plan for the future. Are you ready for that? Let's discuss how your future is going to be, all right? Okay, let me carry you. This is what you are doing like this. Let me carry you. Yeah, come. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come. 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 Da. You are the bone of my bone. You are the flesh of my flesh. Look here. Stop looking that side. Look at me. We love you. Everybody that is watching, we love you. We love you. I love you, love. I love you. We love you. Underdog loves you. Everybody that is watching. Why are you looking outside? Look at me, boy. Come on, look at your dad. This is me, boy. This is me. Alright? This is me. I am here with you. This is me. I am here with you. This is me. I am here with you. This is me. Yo, guys, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for staying in my life. Thank you so much for being on this stream. I really appreciate you, and you are just the best. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Thank you so much for liking and commenting. Thank you so much for everywhere you're watching me from. I'm so happy. I appreciate you. God bless you. Without you, there will be no channel like this. So it's because of your support. When you come to my video, you take your time, you watch my video. I really appreciate you. You know. So sometimes on my live video, I do the father duty, and I do a lot of things. Yeah. You want to cry? Your mom is not here, so please don't cry. Say hi to the fans now. Look at them. They are greeting you. Look at them. Hope this light is not too much for you. Is it? Lord, I say, cut in my blessing. All that you done in my life. Hey, Lord, I see God in my blessings. All that you done in my life. Lord, I see God in my blessings. All that you done in my life. Sometimes when people are watching me like this, I think sometimes I prefer them. At least just chat and let's know where you're watching from. At least we can say hi to you. Some people, they prefer watching without talking. Well, but if it's that you watch you want, there's no big deal. You don't want to say anything, you just want to watch, it's okay. You can just watch, all right? If that what you want, it's no big deal. So it's just me here with my boy in this room. Lord, I say, count of my blessing. Da 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 da. This boy does not like covering cap. And you know, when you grow up now, you'll be doing big boy, and you want to cover cap. If I want to cover this cap now, he'll be struggling, and the weather is really cold. I wish I know that song. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You see, he's struggling. You don't want to cover cap. But you know, the cold, it will help you, so the cold will not disturb you. Sleep, sleep, sleep. No, don't cry. Don't cry. No. Sleep, sleep, because I'll cover you cap. Sleep, sleep, boy. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want to look at things, eh? Your eyes will be everywhere, eh? What do you want to look? Okay, let me remove this. All right. Are you okay now? Are you okay now? I'm okay here. Eh? He wants to be looking at everything. Just 1 month, boy. Yeah, just 1 month. And you want to be looking at everything. Oh yeah, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Lord, I see God in my blessings. All that you done in my life. Hey. Lord, I see God in my blessings. All that you done in my life. Hey. Lord, I see God in my blessings. The boy. I love you. You know that this loves you, right? I love you, your mama loves you. Everybody loves you. You're a great child. Alright guys, thank you so much. I want this live streaming to reach like 30 minutes, then we'll switch to his own channel. Let's see what your audience can do. I'm going to go and stream on your channel. Let's see what your audience can do. All right? No. I don't like what you're doing, man. You have to be calm. Calm, boy. Chill. You're a calm person, so you don't have to be doing jiggy jiggy jiggy. You have to be calm. All right? All right? All right. Red boy. You have to be calm. Hmm? No. 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 I'm going to your channel to stream now. So once I go to your YouTube channel to stream, what you need to do, just be calm. So you can talk to your viewers. They're your viewers, they're not my viewers. So me, I'm talking to them now. You want to sleep? Lord, I see God in my blessings. All that you done in my life. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah, you're the best.